Welcome. This morning is a brand new day and an opportunity to be open, to be in the flow of life's good stuff. Get comfy sitting in an upright posture with your eyes closed to your outer world. Inwardly look down towards your navel, as this will support you to keep random thoughts to a minimum. But if random thinking does happen, that is perfectly normal, and it is what the mind does. So please don't worry about that. Just simply come back to inwardly looking downwards, listening to my voice and focusing on your breathing. With that, take a full deep breath, one that makes your belly rise and your chest expand. And allow yourself, when you're ready, to breathe out and your belly contracts. Stay upright and alert through 3 deep breathing cycles in your own timing. Take a few moments to notice your body. Make sure it is in a relaxed position, because when you are relaxed, you are more receptive, you are open to good things coming your way and being in the flow. Check in particular with your shoulders that they are down, away from your ears. Avoid clenching your jaw. And consciously release any holding on anywhere in your body. Use your exhales to release the holding on. This releasing allows your breath to flow with ease. Being in the flow means you are calm. Your breath is a powerful tool for keeping you calm, for energizing your body, and for supporting your mind with clarity. What a great way to start your day, fully oxygenating your system and your brain. So take in plenty of lovely, full conscious breaths and imagine or sense the oxygen circulating through your veins, through your heart, and enlivening your brain. Breathing in long and deep, and breathing out. Bring a smile to your face as you enjoy the simplicity of breathing. Now that you are in the present moment, spend a little bit of time acknowledging and appreciating beautiful things and experiences from this morning. The good things that have happened, such as waking up in your comfy bed after a great night's sleep, or a hot shower, or the beautiful morning or coziness of your home. Appreciating like this is putting your best foot forward for your day. How wonderful does it feel to acknowledge the simple everyday things that ordinarily are so easy to take for granted? They are pleasures that are worth noticing and appreciating every day. And the awesome byproduct of appreciation or gratitude is that it puts you into ease and flow. It also energizes you, and of course, it is very uplifting. Keep breathing in and out those lovely, long, relaxed breaths. Another way to be in the flow is to treat yourself with kindness today. Make a commitment to yourself that you will treat yourself with patience and you will avoid any negative self-talk. Say yes now to taking the best care of yourself throughout your day. With that, take a nice long, conscious breath in and let it out. Also setting the intention that whatever comes your way, you will handle it with ease, simplicity, flair, intelligence, and wearing a smile. Challenges do happen in life, and it is how we respond that is important. Respond today rather than react, and stay in the flow. Take one last deep, conscious breath in and let it out. And before I go, take a moment or two to appreciate yourself for setting this time aside to start your day off in an uplifting way. Wishing you the best day ever with little surprises along the way. Before rushing off, take a nice big stretch with another conscious breath and ease yourself into your day. If you would like to continue to meditate, there is a link on your screen to a brushing your teeth mindfully meditation. If you have already brushed your teeth, keep this one in mind for tonight or tomorrow morning. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.